Xiaomi, relax, has made a lot of devices over the years, both e-ink and non-e-ink. They've made everything from thermometers to phones and even some major appliances around the world. Here we have a circular 1.32-inch 360 by 360 pixel resolution smartwatch. This is the Smartwatch W12 Imilab, or the Smartwatch IMIS W12. It has a 330 milliamp battery, which lasts 30 days apparently, 13 sport modes, it's waterproof, and has a heart rate and blood oxygen monitor. This was sent to us for free to check out, so we're just going to crack it open and see what we have inside. It is very nicely packed in a cardboard cutout / very soft foam, and you can go ahead and rip this out of the box like so. Once doing so, put that off to the side. You have a sticker over the top. We're going to leave that to the very end. We always leave that till the absolute end of the video. Now, you do not have a charging port in the traditional sense where it's USB-C or USB micro. It is a proprietary 2-pin charger with magnets on the side that does plug in via USB. So unfortunately, you're going to live and die by this because you can't lose that. You also have an additional strap color. So this one comes in a stone concrete gray, it looks like, while as the original one is black. Inside is the user manual. Imilab is a separate line of devices from Xiaomi. You can wear it on your right or left, of course, but they do recommend it that you put it on the side that you're going to be able to touch the buttons, etc. There's tons of modes here. We're just going to hold this in front of the camera. If you guys lose your user manual, you can go ahead and pause the video on this and take a little bit of a snapshot. They have blood oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor, pedometer, weather, sleep. There's a whole bunch of things to this. And as you can see here, all of the information, unlike most of the e-ink products these guys make, are in complete English. So that is going to work wonders when it comes to the functionality of this device. The front is a very nice, clean, reflective glass. It is highly reflective. We're not talking e-ink or ink paper of any kind here. You have some dials on the side that both push down and rotate. Undoubtedly, there's going to be single press, long press, potentially even double press actions you're going to be doing on this. And the back has all of your monitors, a ton of sensors and monitors, which looks like 6 or 8 different individual ones right there. You do have the Imilab logoing on the side on a nice metal clasp, and this whole thing is fairly light. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Smartwatch W12 by Xiaomi Imilab. This is part of the Mi line, and if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For GoodyReader.com and an unboxing, this is Peter.